All right, a big breaking news coming in. The union government is likely to postpone the use of rapid antibody test kits till further notice. Remember, the ICMR had advised state governments to stop using antibody test kits till it examines their quality over complaints that they were defective. Milan Sharma is joining me on the phone line. Milan, this is big news that the centre may likely postpone the rapid antibody kits testing. Precisely take us through why this decision may have been taken.
Well, Pooja, it was decided today in the group of ministers meeting that was held with all the stakeholders and COVID empaneled members who were part of the meeting. Well, the major point of discussion in the meeting was whether the rapid antibody test kits should be used or not, because the ICMR was doing its re-evaluation on them in 8 states, and many of them being the ones that complained about the rapid antibody test kits and the kind of sensitivity they were showing to the results. It has now been told by sources to India Today that the ICMR will be postponing the use of rapid antibody test kits until further notice. The re-evaluation results will also be released by the ICMR. Certainly, these kits that were brought from China have been found to be faulty in many states, and that was the re-evaluation that the ICMR was working on. It had previously also told states to stop using the kits until the re-evaluation is done. Today, the final results of the re-evaluation will be out, before which sources have told India Today that they plan to postpone the usage of rapid antibody test kit for surveillance in India.
All right, so it seems, Milan, that the government is experimenting and also taking abundant precaution with the new testing kits as well. Thank you so much for this news to us.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.